This video will show you how to replace the relays on the Dutton-Lainson SA5015DC 24V electric winch. Start by disconnecting the power and remote cords from the winch. Then use a 3/8 inch ratchet or socket wrench to remove the 4 cover screws. Spread out the bottom of the cover, then lift it off of the winch. Disconnect the cover's black, white, and green wires from the old relays, then set it aside. Use a 5/16 inch wrench or flathead screwdriver to remove the screws fastening the old relays to the winch base. Then use a 1/4 inch socket to remove the 2 screws fastening the red plastic terminal to the base. Cut the zip tie bundling the wires together, then pull the black and red motor wires from the old relays. In the parts kit sent to you, locate the metal relay brackets and install them on the side of the winch using a 5/16 inch socket or flathead screwdriver and the 2 supplied 1/4 inch screws. Make sure that the bracket's lip is facing this direction when you install them onto the base, not this direction. To make the rewiring process as easy as possible, loosen and remove with a standard set of pliers the bushing that is holding the remote cord in place on the winch cover. Then give yourself as much slack in the cord as you can. Set the new relays down onto the winch so the red plastic terminal is on top of its mounting holes. Flip it over like you see here, then connect the black motor wire to the relay that is closer to the winch base, and connect the red motor wire to the relay that is farther from the winch base. Next, connect the white cover wire to the relay you ran the black motor wire to. Connect the green cover wire to the relay you ran the red motor wire to. And finally, connect the black cover wire to the only remaining relay wire, which is also black. Slide the 2 relays onto the brackets you installed on the side of the winch, ensuring that the red and black motor wires are tucked behind and between them. Tighten the red plastic terminal's 2 screws to hold it in place. Make sure that all of the wires are tucked away from the end of the drive shaft. Bundle them together using the included zip tie. Then cut off the end of the zip tie. The side of your winch should now look similar to this. Open up the cover so you can slide it over the winch, being sure that all of the wires are contained inside the cover and none of them are hanging out. Reinstall the 4 cover screws with your 3/8 inch socket. The shorter screws without a flathead screwdriver slot go on the remote cord side of the winch, while the longer screws with a flathead screwdriver slot go on the opposite side. Slip the bushing back on the remote cord and pinch it back into its hole in the cover. Reconnect both the remote and power cords. Then test the out and in functions on the remote to ensure that the winch is operational with the new relays installed. Thanks for watching.